Alright, you're welcome to my channel. I'm going to take you through Binance Future Trading. Of this video is educational purpose. If you want to trade in crypto, you need to have a fair knowledge on how to trade in crypto. Crypto is one of the places that you can make money, quick money. At the same time, you can also lose all your money. So this video purposely is to educate you on the tricks and the strategies that you can use to be able to make some nice income on your crypto investment or on your future trading. This video doesn't guarantee that you will be a billionaire or a millionaire. It is only for you to know the fair knowledge on how to go about it when you start to trade on Binance Futures. There's a simple trade section. This is a simple trade method that I'm going to take you through, whether you have knowledge or you don't have any knowledge in future trading. You can at least get small percentage on your income when you try this strategy. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and make sure you share this video. So first of all, what I have to do, I'll explain most of the things in the future trading section before you go or before you start. You should know everything around this section. Okay, you don't just have to stand up and then you stick. Okay, everything here you should know whether how all of them they mean. Okay, so first of all, I'll start from selecting the coin section. So on this side is where the coin that you want to trade is. So whether the coin is in USDT form. So imagine you have some dollars in your account and you want to trade. This is where you will select. So you just have to click on it. When you click on it, most of the coins will come. If you just the coin is not here and you want to search for it, you just type the coin name and then you select. Okay, so and with this side too, we have two types of trading section. Okay, we have two types of trading section. When you click on the trading section, you can see cross and isolated. The cross means when your trade is on a cross mode, which means if you are trading, okay, if you are trading, the money that you use to start trading, it can be exhausted and then enter your leftover money. Okay, so imagine you used $50, you deposited $50 here and it is on cross, and you used $25 to enter the trade. At a point in time when the money that you used to stake, okay, to enter the trade exhaust, it will enter into the existing money in your account balance and it will take that money too. But when you select cross isolated means the fixed amount of money that you used to trade, when that money exhausts, the trade will automatically stop. It will not enter your existing money. So that's how this one means. And you can see 10x here. This is the leverage. The leverage explains the amount of money or the number of times that you want to multiply your money. Okay, so the leverage starts from 1x to 10x, even up to 100x. Some of the currency pair, that's how they gives you, but this one is up to 75x. So imagine the leverage. If I am using $1 to enter the trade, that means the leverage should be 10x. Okay, that means $10. So if my actual money is $1, that means I have to borrow. That means you are borrowing extra $9, okay, to make it $10. So the trade that you will enter, you have to enter with 10x. Okay, that's $10. That means you are spending $10, right? So if I am having $5 to enter the trade and I go it 5x, okay, or 10x, that means I have to get $50. That means I borrow $50 to enter this trade. So that's how this leverage to works. And mind you, before you enter the trade, check this side. You can see that we have perpetual. This perpetual is a coin, that means this one is a little bit stable. Okay, if the coin is C, that coin, it can decrease anyhow, so always choose a coin that is perpetual. And when we move down, so this is where the market price, if you want to buy it at the market price or a limit, we have two types. So we have the limit here, we have the limit, and then we have market price. Okay, this is the two things that we should be looking at that level. So the limit means I want this coin to get to maybe 0.0067 before I buy. So that means if I want that, you have to choose the limit. You have to click on the limit here, and you click on the limit, then the price that you want to buy, then you select on it, then you enter your USDT here. Okay, so let me say I am using $1 to trade. That means I have to enter 10 USDT. Okay, yeah, so if you're using $1, I have to enter 10 USDT. But that's that. So when it get there, it will automatically execute the trade for you. Okay, so let's put it back to the market limit. And when you check here, this slide, this slide is where it shows the amount of money. So you can drag the amount of your money that you want to use to enter the trade. Okay, automatically, if you have some cash, how much do you want to enter the trade, you can drag it to 50%, 25%, and then you can also enter it manually. And when you check this side is where you can set your stop loss and take your profit. Okay, TP and SL, that's stop loss and take profit. So let's say I want to trade this coin. I enter the coin with at maybe 0.67 at this current price. Okay, that's the place I enter with the market price, and I set on stop loss. Maybe I want it to increase, I went for long, and the stop loss, I want the coin, if the coin go to the opposite side. Okay, when the coin reaches 0.004, it should execute the trade. Okay, so that means when the coin reaches that point, I execute the trade so that my money will stop losing. And you can choose to leave the take profit. Okay, if the coin is going to the direction of your choice, you can choose to leave that side. You can only fill the stop loss section and leave the take profit. So when the coin is increasing, it doesn't have a limit, you just be making profit. That's how this one work. And you can also set it. Let's say if you want to trade with when you want the trade to get to 0.068, it should give you some profit. Okay, then you set it. Then after that, you now click on, maybe you want to buy, then you click on buy. The buy section simply explain whether the coin will move uptrend. Okay, if the coin will move uptrend, if you believe the coin will go up, then you click on buy. But if you believe the coin will decrease or the coin will come down, yeah, then you go to short. So that's how this simply explains here. And you can see that I have trading here. I just traded this one to give you an example. You can see that I choose 10x. Okay, and your leverage too, you should make sure that it's always on and 10x as you are a beginner, because the more the leverage, the more they take out your money fast, the more your money goes fast. And you can also select here. When you check this side, this is where you can do your calculation. Okay, and this side is where you can read candles. So if you want to, you are good in reading the candles, then you just click on it. All the types will be here, then you just start reading the candles. Okay, so you see this side, this is where the signals will be. So that's where you can read the candles, and then this is where you can do your calculations to see how much profit you will make. So before you enter the trade, you can do some calculation. Okay, you can do calculation to see the amount of money you make. So before you do that, you have to set it to the leverage that you want to trade. Okay, to the leverage. So let's set it. Let's say I am trading with a leverage of 10. Let me adjust it small. This 10. So let me take it to 10. Okay, and the amount of money I want to enter is let's say entry price of it is 0.00667. Okay, then the exit price, that the price that I want it to get to when I exit, is, let's say, 0.006 right? So that means I'm going long. Then you click here, make sure you change this side to USDT bill. You are going to use USDT to trade. Then I click here and I submit. Let's say I'm trading with $1, that's $10, right? So I borrow $9, then click on calculate. So this is the amount of money that you make when it get to $1. Okay, then I'm trading with $1. With that amount, you see that you get 0.15 cents when it get to that price. Okay, so this is how the trade it looks like. And one of the things that you can also do here, if you don't have any knowledge in the trade, is by you can just look at some pricing margin. Okay, so let's say, let me give you some small trick here. Let's say you want to trade and you don't have any knowledge. What should you do? The first thing is to come to the loser section. Normally that's how I do my trade. I come to the loser section, then I check the coin that is having a lot of lose, that has lost value a lot. Then I'll click on it. This is my strategy. I am not saying that if you do this it will work for you. Everybody and his own way of trading. Okay, so I check it like this, and I check the previous, the 1 year, the 180 days, the days. You see this coin is losing, gradually losing value, and I've not seen that of its previous day, so I will not use this coin. Let me check another one and see if it has. This one too, it doesn't have. So let's move on. I want a coin that is having previous trading menu. Okay, this coin is not performing. Let me choose another coin. So you keep on going through until you find a coin that is having the last 90 days, 1 year. Okay, let's see if this coin will work. Okay, so you can see that this coin is having some negative values here. This coin is have that means this coin is not moving upward. Okay, this coin is not moving upward, which means if this coin you go it at the current price, there's definitely that you are going to make some little profit. Then you check the 24-hour high. Check the 24-hour high. You see that it went to 415, and then the low is 375. Okay, 375, which means this coin will go a little bit higher. And when you check the trend, then you use the trend also. You just check the trend to, you can see that this moment it is trying to move upwards. Okay, it is trying to move up. So the little, you just take it, then you monitor it, you get like 5% of your money, then you execute the trade or you close the trade and you start over. Okay, so let me show you the coin that I am trading now. Let me show you this coin. Okay, you see that this coin is currently on a profit of 16%. So let me just go to my favorite coins, then show you. You see, so stay tuned. All right, you can see that this coin, this is what I was talking about. You can see that the 1 year it is over 200%, 180 days 164%. The last 7 days you can see that the coin is performing here. Okay, you can see that the coin has been performing. So if this coin and today it is negative position, which means all the days, the 1 year, the 1 this coin has been performing. Okay, this coin has been performing. That means if I go it long, it will not take much time for this coin to recover to that position. It will not take much time for this coin to regain its straight or go up. Okay, so this is what I use to do my trade. When I check all this and I see that the coin is performing, then I'll enter the trade with my capital, and I always make sure that I use less of my money to do so, because it's very risky. And imagine if you are trading with, let's say, $20, and you make like 10% of that money every day. 10% of the $20 will be $2. Okay, I am using $20 to trade, and I enter with 10%, which means I'll get $2 every day. $2. So in a period of 5 days or 1 week, if you have a target with that, with the leverage of 10, definitely you are going to make some profit, or you are going to get some income on this one. That's how you should trade, and that's how you should go about it. You should have a margin or a percentage. Don't just be greedy to trade on it, because it's very risky. Okay, so this is how it works. Make sure you like this video. I'll be giving you more and more tricks. Thank you very much.